Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious K for those of you who are new here, and today we are back with another video. I'm so excited for this video, you guys, because this is my giveaway video. So I'm going to be giving away a 500 Rand ShopRite Robson voucher. It's just my way of showing my appreciation to you guys for subscribing to my channel. I wanted to give away like clothing and stuff, but I don't know what you may or may not like, so I decided to go with a voucher, which I think is pretty cool. ShopRite Robson has a variety of clothes on their website, so I think that everyone will find something, every girl. Yeah, I don't think they sell men's clothing on there, but you can still enter and then like get something for your girlfriend, for your wife, I don't know. I am wearing a ShopRite Robson outfit that I got from them, which I am going to be showing you guys. So all you need to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then leave a comment just letting me know that you watched the video, and also just include your Instagram name or your email address, just so that I can know how to reach you if you do win the giveaway. Let's just get into this look. I did a little bit of a get ready with me. I show you guys this outfit, which I absolutely love. It's so gorgeous. I love the material. You guys can see that it's like this high neck crop top. It's just so like, I don't know, I feel elegant. I will announce the giveaway winner on this date that I'll leave on the screen. All the best. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and always showing so much support. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, let's get into this video. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just using it to conceal my dark marks. I think I told you guys I am going to the esthetician for my skin, and my skin has definitely been getting much better. Like my dark marks are fading, so I'm very happy with the progress that my skin has been making so far. I'm not a huge foundation girl. I keep my foundations for like a very long time, so today I don't know if I want to switch it up and use this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I don't know, I feel like this one is too matte. Let's go with the Revlon Color Stay foundation in the shade Cappuccino. So I hope you guys are going to enter the giveaway. I didn't want to do like a haul. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. Like I am really trying to create different kind of content on my channel. I am still gonna do hauls and stuff, of course. If you are interested in entering the giveaway, then please do. I'm giving away a voucher to ShopRite Robson. Their clothes are so affordable, you guys. So I'm gonna be giving one subscriber / follower a voucher just to shop on there. I feel like that's like so perfect because I hadn't purchased from them until this giveaway video, and I feel like you can find something for you on the website no matter like what your style is. Their prices really range from like a whole bunch of stuff, so I would definitely encourage you to enter the giveaway. And all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment just letting me know that you watched the video, and also include your Instagram or your email address so that I know how to reach you if you do win. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna make it like a long story. I don't want to know why you deserve it or anything. It's like not that serious. To conceal, I'm gonna go in with these two products. I use this concealer from LA Girl as well, but this is in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to go under my eye. I really want the makeup to be like fresh and airy and light, you know. And then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Match Stick on top of it. That's good. Do I need to add some more? I don't think so. I think this is good enough. Okay, I think I'm also gonna quickly highlight my nose. So now I'm going to contour my face, and you guys, this is the best contour stick if I can find it. I'm literally, guys, I'm so sad. I'm like running out. I'm gonna put some of that on my face, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead as well. I'm just gonna go back in with the brush I use for my foundation, and I'm gonna blend. Actually also gonna put some of that on my jawline, just to, you know, snatch my jawline a little bit, because I need it. And because I still have some of this powder that will not finish, the Yardley loose powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm applying a lot more than I usually would. And I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but it's gonna come together, don't you worry. I don't usually bake, so I honestly don't know why I'm doing this right now, but I mean, I think it's gonna look good. And I'm going back in with same old MAC eyeshadow to just deepen up my contour a little bit. I'm just warming up my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jawline. I'm just gonna take this kabuki brush and I'm going to not poke my eye out. I'm going to just buff in that setting powder. For blush, I'm still using the Very Berry blush by Revlon. It just works, you guys. Like, have you ever heard the saying, don't fix what ain't broke? That's me and this blush. I'm just gonna grab a brush. What brush do I want to use? Okay, I'm gonna use this brush right here. Putting some of that on my nose as well. I've seen some girls put it like on their forehead. I don't know why, but here we are doing what the girls do. I think I went a little overboard on my nose. Let me just fix that. Okay, boom. I'm going to grab this big brush and I'm just gonna make sure everything is blended well together. So I'm gonna quickly set my face. So now we're just gonna move on to eyebrows, and I'm going to brush my eyebrows up, and I'm going for, like I said 1,000 times in this video, I'm going for something like light and airy. So I'm just going to fill in my brows lightly, like very lightly, and just go a little bit deeper on the ends. Y'all know how to do your eyebrows. Like, I feel like there are so many tutorials online on how to do your eyebrows. Y'all don't need me. And then I'm just gonna brush it just to make sure that it's still looking natural. I'm gonna set my eyebrows with the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, and I don't like to put too much of this on, otherwise it makes your eyebrows look oily. And then we're gonna go in with my favorite mascara. This is the Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. Oh no, I've been craving eyelash extensions rather. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush again, and I'm going to basically apply the same setting powder all over my face like this. So I just feel like wearing a red lip today, so we're gonna go in with Ruby Roo by MAC.
Hi, Jamila.
Jamila to me, I'm filming. I haven't worn a red lip in like a very long time, so I don't know how I feel about it. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. I did my hair. I just put it in this like really low bun. I'm gonna take this Got To Be spray and I'm just gonna spray it on my hair. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm just gonna set my face one more time. I'm And yeah, this is the look. So I got the hazel cropped tank top in black, and they do have this in a variety of colors, but it's so nice and stretchy. It comes with this skirt, and this is called the Savannah wrap tie detail, and I got it in a size small as well. What's really cool is that you can get your top in a different size and your bottom in another size if you feel like you're more small at the top and you're a little bit curvier, then you can get like a medium in the skirt and then a small in the top. But it does have like this really cool tie detail over here, which is very nice. The skirt was 300 rand, which I feel like is not bad at all, and then you get the crop top, which is only 150. So that brings us to the end of today's video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed my little like get ready with me. I hope you guys really love the outfits. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I made it fairly easy. Like, I'm not gonna ask you to do too much. Just subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and then leave a comment letting me know that you watched the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.